Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making creme brulee, 法式焦糖布丁. Creme brulee is a creamy pudding-like baked custard topped with melted caramelized sugar. The melted caramelized sugar crust will be slightly warm when served, but the custard below should be cold. This creme brulee is perfect for Mother's Day surprise. Let's make creme brulee for mothers this weekend. Let's go! Here is everything we need. For the custard, we need 2 cups of heavy cream, 10 tablespoons sugar, 1 stick vanilla bean, 4 large egg yolk, half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon salt, kosher salt. For the brulee topping, 4 tablespoons sugar. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit. And then pick 1 stick of vanilla bean and cut in the middle. And squeeze the beans out. Okay, and put the seed and the pot into a medium saucepan. Okay, put the vanilla bean pot and all the seed inside the medium saucepan, and add the half teaspoon of vanilla extract inside. Also the 2 cups of heavy cream. And then add 4 tablespoons sugar. Okay. Turn the heat on to the medium heat. Gently stir until it shimmers. Oh, and also add 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Okay, wait until it shimmer. Alright, it's shimmer right now. Turn off the heat and cover with the lid. Remove from the heat. Let it infuse for 15 minutes. Alright, after 15 minutes, use a mixing bowl. Add 4 big egg yolk inside. And also add the remaining 6 tablespoons of sugar inside. Mix together. Mix until you cannot see the white sugar. Okay. And now I can add the cream. Okay, gently add half cup one time. Keep stirring while you adding the cream. Okay. The other half cup. And the last half cut, toss away the vanilla pot. Alright, and now I'm going to use a sieve to strain the mixture. Throw away the big chunk. Fill in the egg cream mixture into the ramen cans. About 80%. What? We actually can only make 4. Alright. Okay, take away the other container. So this recipe can only make 4. Fill in with hot water until the hot water reach the 80% of the container, and then send them to the oven. Okay. Use 325 Fahrenheit to bake for 40 minutes. Okay, after 40 minutes, gently take out the custard and put it out on the rack. Then chill for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, cover the plastic food wrap for each one. And put them in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Alright, after 4 hours, take the custard from the fridge, and I'm going to use a torch to blade the surface with sugar. You can also store the custard in the fridge for 4 days, up to 4 days. While you're ready to eat, you take out from the fridge and blade the surface with torch. Okay, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sugar on each custard. Okay. Use a torch away from the sugar for about 4 inches. Okay, use a circle motion. Evenly brulee the sugar. Okay, this is the first layer. We are going to do 2 layers. Okay. Okay. Second layer, also 1 teaspoon of sugar evenly sprinkle on the top. Okay, repeat again. All right. Serve the creme brulee within 20 minutes after you blade the sugar. The result we want is the hot and crunchy of top, and beneath the custard is cold. Okay, going to do this the second one. Alright, it's all done for the BRÚLÉE, the sugar topping, and then decorate with the mint leaf and one raspberry for each creme brulee. Alright, all done. I'm going to show you the crunchiness of the sugar. Ooh, this is the perfect result. Okay. The warm, crunchy sugar and the cold custard combination is heavenly. Okay, enjoy. Alright, so this is today's Creme Brulee 法式烤布蕾. Make this for your mother for this Mother's Day surprise. They will be amazed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.